Hello, little explorers. I'm Dr. Meow Mew, and today, we're going to discover something really amazing. Have you ever wondered why some flowers only bloom at night? What a mystery! Daytime flowers. Many flowers bloom during the day, so they can soak up sunshine and say hello to buzzing bees and fluttering butterflies. Night bloomas appear. But guess what? Some flowers wait until nighttime to bloom. That's when their magic happens. Nighttime friends. These flowers bloom at night to invite their special nighttime friends like bats and moths do. Come help them spread their pollen. Cool and quiet. And at night, it's cooler and quieter. There are fewer bugs that might try to nibble the flowers. Smart, right? Summary time. So, flowers that bloom at night do it for good reasons. To meet their nighttime helpers. To stay cool. And to keep safe. Thanks for learning with me today. Question for you. Now it's your turn. Can you name a flower that blooms at night? Tell someone near you. See you next time for another curious question. Bye-bye.